this is my nature exploration documentary. I am your host, Mrs. Potato, I guess, and this is my white dog. My white dog. And let's get on with the documentary. First, we have a beautiful sneezing dog. He is sneezing, barking, and nothing. He's such a beautiful dog. And that is what I shall call them now. Berries that turn blue. And this rare weird dog, he likes to eat these berries that turn blue. I don't know why, but he has a slight obsession. Dog! Dog! Come here, dog! Dog! Dog, sit! Sit, dog, sit! There you go, dog. This is the strangest dog I've ever seen. I think nature just heard my mixtape. Said it's hot as fire out here.
It's a cute little berry. Look how cute.
Come try these berries. They taste so good. Dog! Video, documentary, thing, extravaganza, we have a dog. This wild dog barks and makes trails around the yard. He only walks on the trails. Isn't that kind of weird? But he just walks on these trails and he sniffs at everything, and he continues to walk. He sits here and waits on people so he can attack them and bark at them and tackle them and be annoying. He stands here and waits. He waits and waits for nothing. He just waits. Dude, chill.
Chill.